Hey there! If you're looking to change the language on your Steam client, whether for ease of use or just because you prefer a different language, I'm here to walk you through it. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, you need to launch the Steam client on your computer. Once Steam is open, look at the top left of the window and click on Steam. A menu will drop down. From there, choose Settings. In the Settings window, you should see a list of categories on the left. Click on the one that says Interface. You'll now see a section called Select the language you wish Steam to use. There will be a drop-down menu next to it. Click on that, and you'll see a list of available languages. Just pick the one you want to use. Steam will ask you to restart in order for the changes to take effect. Just click Restart Steam, and it will close and reopen with the new language setting. Once Steam restarts, everything should now be in the language you selected. Enjoy the updated interface, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the language on Steam. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy guides. Happy gaming and enjoy your Steam experience in your preferred language.